Hi. When you want to search or find out any channels on YouTube, one of the ways that is available on YouTube is you go to the search icon here on YouTube and then type the channel name. So in case if you would want to find out myself or teach me AK channel, you would go on the search icon here and type in the channel name. So based on this search, YouTube would suggest you the channel names that are available. But sometimes it might happen that if you are not aware of how the channel name is, then it might be difficult to identify the particular channel name that you might be searching for. Recently, YouTube has introduced a unique way to identify a particular channel that you would want to search for by the way of handles. In this video, I will show you the complete tutorial of what handles are and how you would also be able to set your YouTube handles for your specific channels and what are the criterias to choose a handle and what are the guidelines as well to choose a handle. So let's get started. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Many of you by now you would have received this email from YouTube that YouTube is going to introduce YouTube handles. Now, what is YouTube handle? YouTube handle is a new way to find and connect with each other on YouTube. So handles are unique to any channel. You might be notified by YouTube Studio or you might have received an email to choose YouTube handles. So now how does YouTube handle reflect is when you want to choose a YouTube handle, the name will start with @ symbol. You might choose the YouTube handles unique to your channel or based on your choice. Now let me tell you how you would be able to choose the handles for your YouTube channel. Now in case if you are already having the personalized URL for your YouTube channel, YouTube would have automatically reserved the handle for you. So another one is if you don't have a personalized URL or if you would want to choose a different handle from the YouTube already set, you can also do that too. Stay tuned, I would show you the complete way how you can choose the handle for yourself. And when you choose a handle, a matching URL also would be created. Now let me tell you who is eligible for creating or using handles. It is open access to all. And next one is what are the guidelines to choose a handle. The main guideline is handles should be up to 30 characters only. Another email post the YouTube had rolled out the YouTube handles was this email what you're seeing on my screen right now. This was the email where YouTube sent that I would be able to choose a handle for my channel. So there is a button here given as choose a handle. So let me click on that. That would take me to a link where YouTube provides me an option to change or create my handle for my YouTube channel. So this is how the screen would look like. So since I already had a personalized URL which YouTube had provided, so YouTube has by default created a handle for me as @teachmeak without any spaces. So if you see, my channel name is teach-me-ak. So in case if you want to search my channel name, you might remind or remember my channel name with the appropriate punctuation marks. But now with the YouTube handle, it is very easier by just choosing @teachmeak without any spaces. So now if you see here, there is an example given here. If my handle is @teachmeak, my channel URL also would be marked with https youtube.com/teachmeak, and it would also say that my existing channel URL as youtube.com/c/teachmeak would also continue to work going forward. So now how and where does YouTube handle would help you? So it would help you to get noticed in shorts, where by using @ and the handle name, you can just search by that, and also you would also be able to search any channel name by the YouTube handle name in the search bar of the YouTube, and people can also tag you in the videos as well as comments using the @ symbol as your handle. Not only that, and people would also be able to connect you in the community pages as well using the handles. So now let me show you how you can choose or change your handle. So you are seeing a button here as change handle. Let me click on that. So now this is the space where YouTube is giving you an option to change handle, where you are able to see by default YouTube has already set a handle for me here with @ symbol. So now if I want to change my YouTube handle, I can just remove this and give anything in front of the @ symbol and click on confirm selection. In case if I want to retain whatever as per my channel name, let me choose the way as it is in my channel name and click on confirm selection. So once I click on confirm selection, so that's how the channel handle is confirmed by YouTube. So this is where it shows you have successfully selected your handle. So channel handles are created for my YouTube channel now. So now if you see on my channel settings, you can see different fields here where my channel name is teach-me-ak and the handle is @teachmeak. And even if you see in the channel URL as well, earlier the URL was youtube.com/c/teachmeak. Now you will see as @teachmeak in the channel URL. So I hope this video was helpful to you to understand what is a YouTube handle and how you would be able to choose a YouTube handle for your YouTube channels. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.